Hello, this is Mike Britt with the City of Winter Haven Natural Resources Division. Because Winter Haven is at the headwaters of both the Peace River and Florida aquifer systems, the only source of water for our lakes and water supply is rainfall. The land area around Winter Haven is part of an old sand dune system called the Winter Haven Ridge. The ridge is made up of very sandy soils with high rates of infiltration. Historically, 100% of the rain that fell on the land percolated into the soil. Rain gardens are meant to allow the water to infiltrate into the soil as it did naturally. Instead of being discharged directly to the lakes through the storm drain system, rainfall should percolate into the soil like it did a long time ago. Building rain gardens and other projects that percolate stormwater into the soil provide multiple benefits. They treat stormwater before it gets to the lakes, and it also recharges our aquifers for future water supply. Building rain gardens is also an excellent way to beautify a home or a community. Planting the right plants in a rain garden can save money for irrigation, conserve water, and reduce fertilizer use. One of the primary goals for protecting lakes and water supply in Winter Haven will be to percolate as much rainfall into the ground as possible. I hope you can help in this effort by building a rain garden of your own.